Picture this. Your car is damaged in an accident and needs repairs. But life doesn't pause. You still have to get to work, run errands, and live your life. So what happens when you need a rental car? Will your insurance cover it? Today, we're diving into the world of rental car reimbursement, an often overlooked but invaluable part of auto insurance. Rental reimbursement is an optional add-on to your car insurance that covers the cost of a rental while your vehicle is in the shop for repairs. According to the Insurance Information Institute, the average time a car spends in the shop after an accident is 2 weeks. Without coverage, renting a car during this time can cost over $900. Here's how it works. Most policies come with daily and total limits. For instance, your coverage might allow up to $30 per day, capped at $900 per claim. If your repairs take longer than the coverage period, you'll need to cover the extra costs yourself. But what about accidents that aren't your fault? In these cases, the at-fault driver's liability insurance is typically responsible for your rental car costs. However, this process can take time, which is why having rental reimbursement in your own policy ensures immediate coverage. But not all situations are covered. Rental reimbursement doesn't apply to routine maintenance, mechanical breakdowns, or vacations. It's specifically designed for accidents or other covered losses under your policy. Adding rental reimbursement cover is surprisingly affordable, costing between $2 to $15 a month. Think about it, compared to the $130 per day you'd pay for a rental, it's a smart investment. Let's talk about providers. Companies like Progressive, State Farm, and Liberty Mutual are among the best when it comes to rental reimbursement. They offer flexible daily limits and even discounts with preferred rental companies like Enterprise or Hertz. One key tip: always review your policy for specifics. For example, a $3,900 limit means $30 per day with a $900 caps. Knowing these details can help you plan ahead, especially if your repair shop estimates an extended timeline. Now, what happens if your car is declared a total loss? In this case, most policies will only cover rental costs for a few days after the insurance company notifies you for the payout. That's your signal to start looking for a replacement vehicle right away. It's also important to distinguish between rental reimbursement and rental car insurance. Rental reimbursement pays for a rental car while your vehicle is being repaired. Rental car insurance, on the other hand, protects the rental car itself in case of damage or accidents. For total peace of mind, consider combining rental reimbursement with collision and comprehensive coverage. This ensures you're fully protected, whether it's for repairs or renting a vehicle during emergencies. What if you're involved in a not-at-fault accident? While the other driver's insurance should cover your rental, delays in processing claims can leave you without a car. Having rental reimbursement ensures you're not stranded during this time. Let's not forget about daily limits. If your coverage is $30 per day, but the rental you need costs $50, you'll be responsible for the difference. Be mindful of these limits when choosing your policy. Rental reimbursement is also invaluable if your repair timeline is extended due to part shortages or other delays. Without it, out-of-pocket costs can quickly add up. Did you know that many insurers offer bundle discounts when you include rental reimbursement? Adding this coverage could save you even more on your overall premium. Here's an important tip. When renting a car under reimbursement coverage, stick to the type of vehicle similar to your own. Opting for a luxury car or an upgrade may result in extra charges not covered by your policy. Remember, rental reimbursement doesn't cover towing services. For that, you'll need roadside assistance coverage. Together, these options create a robust safety net for unexpected events. What about vacation rentals? Unfortunately, rental reimbursement doesn't apply to travel-related rentals. It's strictly for temporary transportation while your car is being repaired. In summary, rental reimbursement is an affordable add-on that saves you significant money and hassle during repairs. It bridges the gap between needing a car and waiting for your vehicle to be fixed. So, should you get rental reimbursement? Absolutely. It's a small cost for major convenience and peace of mind. Check with your provider to see how you can add it to your policy today. Found this information helpful? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more auto insurance tips. Let's make your insurance work as hard as you do. See you in the next video.